Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by CURLSQUEEN, and we're going to be doing some K-tip extensions. I'll be using the Coarse Yaki texture in 20 inches, and for a 10% discount, you can use this code at the top right to save some coins. Now, for an install like this, you want to make sure that you start off with straightened hair, and you want to make sure that you section off the hair that will be left out. And this is what the K-tip extensions look like straight out of the bundle. I'm gonna cut each extension in half. This will help with the density matching, being that I plan on doing very small sections. So a quick crash course about K-tips. K-tips are keratin bonds that are bonded to a piece of hair. To install these type of extensions, you have to place the K-tip about 2 centimeters from the scalp. You then use the heating tool to warm the keratin so that it melts onto the hair. You then want to roll the bond with your fingertips. It should look something like the aglet of a shoestring. Now, I am no professional. This is my first time attempting this method, so it was a lot of trial and error during this process. I will say that you want to just heat the keratin bond in place instead of dragging it up the hair shaft like I was doing. The bond will be much more secure and you'll have less breakage during the takedown process. And as y'all can see, I kept breaking these hair shields. I made them out of some old notebook paper because I forgot to order some, but y'all know I'm the queen of improvising. And this is day 2 of me finishing my hair. It took me a while to get this style done because the process is very tedious and I was doing really small sections. I almost gave up, but I'm so glad I saw it through. By the way, the texture of this hair is pretty impressive and I can tell that it's really good quality. It's really soft and it holds a curl pretty well. This is what I have left of the first bundle. As you can see, a little goes a long way, but I did end up using most of the hair.
I need my pension at April. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and case we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they acting boy like Fallout.
And here I am, finally done with the installation part of this style. Now I'm gonna flat iron the perimeter of my hair to see how everything comes together. Now, I only parted the perimeter and a middle part. I definitely wish I made this style more versatile, but for my first try, I feel like I really did the damn thing, okay? Very satisfied with how it came out. This is what the extensions look like up in a bun. No K-tip showing. Nobody can clock my tea and say that this is not my hair. This looks so natural. I am in love. Don't forget to use my discount code for money off. Shout out to CURLSQUEEN for sponsoring this video.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night.